Hey, this is Stasia, and today I'm going to show you how to associate your emails with matters in Actionstep. This comes in handy when you have staff members working from different locations, and they may need to send some client correspondence back to a matter in Actionstep. So I'm going to show you a few options that will allow you to do that. The first option is to compose an email within Actionstep by going to your Global Create button, Email, and using the Add Association option. You can search for your matter, number, or name here and select it and save. Since I am composing my email from my matter, my association is already showing in the association bar up here. So this email is associated with matter 212. So when I email this to my client, when they reply, it will go back into my inbox for matter 212. So the next option is to use one of your favorite email clients and use the subject line method and send the email back to your email account in Actionstep. So in my Actionstep system, this is my mailbox. So I'm just going to email to this mailbox and associate it to matter 212. So here we go. So for the subject line method, I have my email account here for 2, and then for my subject, I'm going to use ID so that when it's going to Actionstep, it knows how to associate it. And I'm going to do equals, and I'm going to put an A for action and 212 for my matter. So when I do this and send this back to Actionstep, it's going to appear in matter 212 in my inbox. And you can also do this if you have an email from a client. You can forward that email to your email account in Actionstep and use this subject line method. The next option is still in your favorite email client, and depending if you're using a wildcard setup with your email server and you have that set up in Actionstep properly, you could also associate your matter with your line in your email client. So I'll show you that. So here you can still see that I have my email going to @dsslegal.actionstep.com. So that's just like the domain for my Actionstep system. So, but now you can see that I changed it from matters to 212. By doing this, when I send this email, it's going to be routed to matter 212. And I just have that regular subject here. So you can either do it with your subject line, with ID equals action and that action number, or if you're using a wildcard setup, you can use your 2 and just change up the beginning of your email. And the last option, and it's also pretty fast as well, is using our Office 365 add-in to associate your emails. So I'll pull that up for you. Give me a moment. So here I just have an email that came into my Outlook, and I have our Office 365 add-in added to my Outlook. And when you do that, you have these options here at the top. So I'm going to use the open option. I'm going to find a matter that I want to associate this email to. And I'm going to just assign it to 212. And once you do that, this matter is associated, it's saved, and it will appear back in Actionstep. So I'll pull that back up to end this. So here we are back in my Actionstep system. I'm going to give this a quick refresh. And you can see that now that email I just associated with the 365 add-in is in my Actionstep system. I really hope this information is useful for you and your firm, and you have a great day. Thank you.